What is up, YouTube? All right, so this is part 3 of the home I did a couple days ago. I've been just separating out the cut, and I'm speeding it up a little bit, obviously. This room has a lot more wear and tear. You'll be able to see where the bed was when I start to groom it, right in the middle. That carpet is kind of untouched, a lot newer than the areas where the traffic just beat down the fibers. A lot of natural wear there, plus a lot of dirt. You'll see, we'll get that out. And then I am pre-scrubbing it or agitating with the rug renovator. And obviously on a heavily soiled carpet like this, I'll hit it with 2 pads and then rely on the encapsulation process to dry down any additional soil that may be in those traffic areas. And they'll be vacuumed out when the maid service comes to clean the house before the new tenants arrive. So there you go. I'm using the Glad pad, same situation as in part 2 where I did that smaller room. So I'll let you watch it. You will see a lot of soil being removed, which is good. But keep in mind, I can clean the carpet, but I can't undo the wear. So those wear patterns all around where the bed was are obviously going to appear not brand new. So we'll get them looking as good as we can. It should be good for another rental. Cleaned, sanitized, disinfected, and protected. Oh yeah. Look at that Orba vibe go. So anyway, if you're a fellow carpet cleaner and you're watching this channel, what do you guys like to use on heavily soiled carpets? Let me know in the comments below what's worked well for you. For me, I'm only going to use encapsulation products. I'm not going to use anything that is just a pad cap. And by that, I mean, I've been a steam cleaner before. And if I came in here and I used just a detergent and shampooed these, oh man, I wouldn't feel comfortable. Because I would definitely break out my portable steam cleaner and come back through and suck it all out. Suck out all the detergent with a rinse in the tank to neutralize the pH. But with the end cap product, you don't really have to worry about any residue or attracting more soil, more dirt. You know, if you just shampoo it and leave it, whoops, hit that button. Look at that pad. Oh my gosh, better wash my hands. But anyway, you don't have to worry about the detergent resoiling the carpet faster. You know, the job of detergent is to attract dirt, dust, soil. So if you just go in there, and with this method, you're definitely leaving some of your product behind, whatever you use, no doubt about it. I mean, if you think about it, you're spinning the pad over it, you are absorbing a large majority of the soil out of there. And again, you're looking at a lot of wear patterns here, but you can clearly visually see, and you'll see it on the pad again. But I would have to use 10 pads to do multiple passes just to try to improve this. And if you make VLM harder than it needs to be, you might as well be in steam cleaning. So that's why I'm using the end cap product, so that I know I'm going to groom it and I know it's going to brighten up and look even cleaner when it dries. But you'll see because the window's open right where I'm standing. You can see that's where the bed was. Yeah, those carpet fibers are never going to look like that again. Again, this is probably 15, 20-year-old carpet. And as I groom that centerpiece, you can clearly see that. But that's the beauty of end cap. It will dry down and remove any remaining soil. It'll be as clean as it possibly could be. Had I steam cleaned it, we'd be addressing wick back for sure. I could do this process and then do a light mist or rinse with my portable extractor with a citric acid rinse to neutralize, which would probably be a good thing. Then you wouldn't have much wick back. But anyway, not to get too into that. So let me know what you guys use, what end cap products. I know Excellent Supply has some good stuff, and Bonnet Pro. And my go-to is End Cap Store. I get everything through the End Cap Store. Awesome End Cap was the product of choice today, and the Orbot Vibe, obviously the machine, also from End Cap Store. So check it out. Look at those filthy pads. Hope you enjoyed the video. I've been diligently working, so I am going to put together some more videos for you guys. I've got a couple big commercial jobs I'd like to show you, and possibly an RV. So I'll see you in the next one.